This is one of Greg Lynn's early projects, which used vector-based animation software in its design process. This collaborative installation created a variety of scales of spatial, material, and ambient effects through the use of shredded molds engulfed in a painting. The tea and coffee tower is a mass-produced, one-of-a-kind object. The pots are designed by combining 9 different shaped curves, made out of thin titanium sheets. Lynn's work explores how to integrate structure and form together. He is also one of the forerunners in exploring and integrating the tools of digital fabrication into the process of design and construction.
The way I teach is to do things in my office just as I'm feeling comfortable with them, bring them into a teaching environment and see what other directions they go in. Thinking about dynamic moving structures and the problems of them, and also bringing in a whole culture of robotics, which is an aesthetic culture, I think, as much as anything, and seeing what the students do with that should be kind of interesting.
Stop or I'll shoot. Stop.
Employing state-of-the-art animation and special effects software, Lynn transforms space and form into highly plastic and flexible entities. By reusing old plastic toys, Lynn refabricates new furniture.
Our understanding of space is always changing. We once thought the world was flat because we drew the world as flat. All kinds of discoveries gave the world shape and depth. The way we conceptualize the world as a sphere changed the way we thought about space and distance. Our understanding of space is changing again. Online social networking has had a huge impact on the way we communicate now. And this is really just the beginning and only scratches the surface of the way we're going to interact with each other, communicate, and experience the world. We decided to think of New City as the entire world. So the world is, for the first time, becoming one connected city with 8 billion addresses, all located in a single virtual destination. It wasn't just about information design and geography, it was about how you'd experience this world. Rethinking what the space of this city would be, we obviously didn't want to work with a flat map. We also didn't want to work with an Earth or a globe. So we rethought New City as a series of manifolds. What we mean when we say manifolds are reconfigurable pieces of geometry that can distort, fold through themselves, and connect in ways that you couldn't connect with a plane or a sheet or a globe. We decided to take each of the continents on the Earth and make each continent one of these manifolds and let these things move and ebb and flow with different kinds of communication and information. What you see when you go to New City is based on what you want to see. It's a series of lenses of information that you can overlay on the space and experience the city in very different ways. From abstract charts and data, you can move seamlessly into three-dimensional space of a city. The most exciting thing about New City is that it's the petri dish for architectural experiments that haven't happened yet in the virtual world. So New City is the first place that kind of architectural investigation happens, and it's a virtual world that's first of all architecturally considered. I can find out what's going on anywhere in the world, and it really collapses that distance that was there 20 years ago.
Working with industrial designer Ross Lovegrove and architect Yokohin Yokoshika, he is trying to get a car project off the ground that addresses issues of recyclability and fuel efficiency.